In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a category page in WordPress using Elementor. If you want full control over your blog category layout, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to elementor.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on the Get Started button. Just follow the prompts to set up your account. If you're already part of the Elementor family, simply click on the Login button to access your account. Once that's done, it's time to log into your WordPress website. Visit wordpress.com, and if you're new, go through the Get Started process to set up a new account. For those with existing accounts, click on Login. Once inside, you should see the WordPress dashboard. It's crucial to ensure that Elementor is installed and activated on your site at this stage. As you can see here, I already have it up and running. Now let's move over to the theme builder in Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, find the menu on the left side and click on Templates. From the drop-down options, select Theme Builder. This opens up Elementor's Theme Builder, a powerful tool that lets you manage global site parts like your header, footer, single post, individual pages, and crucially for us today, archive templates. With the Theme Builder in view, look for the Add New button and give it a click. It's important to note here that you need Elementor Pro to access all the features of the Theme Builder. When the pop-up appears, you'll need to choose Archive as your template type. Name your new template. Something simple like category page works well. Then click on Create Template to begin. Now you'll be in the Elementor editing screen. Focus on the left panel and scroll down to find the Pro Widgets section. This is where Elementor's excellent suite of tools like Posts, Portfolio, and Archive Title are housed. For our purpose, drag the Archive Title and Archive Posts widgets onto your page. With these widgets, you can style, design, and rearrange them to match your vision. Feel free to additionally include sidebars, images, featured post sections, custom banners, or categories menus. This flexibility allows you to craft category pages that truly stand out. Once you're satisfied with your design, complete the process by clicking on Publish. Elementor will then prompt you to set a condition for your template. Choose Include and then Categories. This ensures your newly crafted look is applied to all category pages on your site. Click Save and Close, and that's a wrap. You've now successfully edited your WordPress category page using Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.